What? What's going on?
I'm hanging with these guys. I don't know. They're like, now they're leaving, but they haven't even leaving as of yet. Hanging out.
They're beautiful.
Hi, guys.
We're right by this beautiful little lake that cuts through. Look at all these incredible fish. Maor, hi. Can you wave for the camera? Okay.
Look at this. We're just hanging. Me and Ducky with red face. Hi, red face, Ducky.
Hello, Redface.
He's eating my...
לא, זה, יש, כאילו, יש ברקסים והוא גם עם חגורה ו...
Get a video. Get a video.
כן, באמת. וואו. לא ידעתי שהם אוכלים ירקות כזה.
אוכלים גם ביצים וטונה.
וואו. בסחוג, okay, טוב. Wow, look at these guys. They're quick. Unbelievable.
Fishies.
Wow. Oh, look at that big guy.
Look at the big guy.
Look at that guy.
Oh, the ducks are getting in on it.
God. What do you have to say about what's going on over here, mister? That's what I thought. That's exactly it.
Hello. Me and my ducky friends. Hi, guys. Hello. What? What? My friend the duck. Oh my god, the one that's like jumping out. Yeah, that's the one I saw before. Ken! Ken! רגע, את שואלת אם יש... לא! חשבתי שאמרת... גוגל. לא, אנחנו חייבים! We are going to throw bread at the fish. Ma, are you ready to throw bread at the fishies? We're going to throw bread at the fishies.
Oh, go.
Fishies. Fish. He says go for lots of... Oh, it's hot.
Okay, we're here to feed the fish.
Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, take him out. He's going to get an experience right now. Take him out for sure.
Why?
No, let him throw it in. Let him throw it in. Here, you hold
I
this.
want him to
Video
throw
me.
the bread in, not himself in that.
Exactly. I got it.
You got it?
Worst case scenario, we'll fish him out.
Okay. With all the other fishes?
Bread. You ready, Maor? Let's give the... Ready? Ready? Oh boy. Look at the fishies. Throw it in. Throw it at the fishies. Look at the fishies. They're eating the bread. Look. Fishies eating the bread.
Here, let me go on the other side.
Throw it in. Throw. I don't think he's understanding what's happening here, but I got him. Look at all the fish.